Hey guys, well, welcome back to the channel. Savvy Tech Girl here. Today we're going to take a look at the Stellar BITRASER for file software. You can go to the stellarinfo.com website for this download. You go to For Individuals and then that will take you to the selection, and we're going to select, you can do Windows or Mac. We're going to go for Mac because that's what I'm installing it on today. This will take you to their main page where you'll be able to do the download. I've already downloaded mine, but you would click on, you can try it for 30 days free. There's limitations obviously, but it gives you an idea how to use it. And the website explains everything really well. This software is going to securely erase everything from your MacBook Pros. It's going to delete securely from external hard drives, USB drives. So once those files are gone, they are gone. It actually erases them. But you can go through their website and read up on everything. Okay, so if you click on the try for 30 days, and then you can try it free, and it will take you to the download area. So again, you get 30 days free. You just have to remember, I believe, to go in and cancel that once you've selected it. Okay, so I have it downloaded on my system already, and we're going to install it, and we're going to start using it. Okay, so once we have the program downloaded, you're going to probably find it in your downloads folder. I have mine on my desktop. And I'm going to double click the file, which is going to allow me to install the application on my computer. So once you double click it, you're going to have a pop-up come up, which is going to then tell you where you can download the program. So I'm going to automatically put mine in applications by left clicking the icon on the left hand side. You can drag it over into the applications folder. Now I'm going to have a pop-up because I already have this software installed on my computer. You are going to just drag it to applications and it's going to be installed. So at this point I'm just going to say stop because I don't want to reinstall the software as it's already there. So once it's in your applications, you can go down to your quick launch, your icons, and you can double click on that icon that has been placed. Mine is the bottom right hand corner, that BITRASER software, and it's going to start up on your system. So when you first start the software, you're going to see it says Initializing. This is going to take a few seconds, anywhere up to 30 seconds. It all depends on how many devices, how many hard drives, USB drives that you have installed. It's actually analyzing those drives at this point. So you can see here we have the main menu, which comes up, very user-friendly, has icons that you can turn on and off for simplicity. If you want to search through and erase files and folders, if you want to look through unused space and traces, etc. So it's very straightforward and easy to use, and you can just click on and off depending on what you would like to look at. So you can toggle any of these areas in green there. You can see I've just turned the files off. Again, I will trigger that back on again. But it just allows you to search for whatever you would like to on the system that you're analyzing and on the external hard drives. Again, I just want to note that this is a file eraser. Once your files are gone, they are gone, and I will probably repeat that a few times during this video. Click on Next, and it's going to analyze, and it's going to show me if I have external drives connected. So this would be one of my external hard drives. This is my internal hard drive. We also have traces and unused space. So these were the three things that the system was going to look for in the beginning. And you can see the different menus that it's created on the left hand side of the screen. So we have internet activity. You could go into Google, default user, your cookies, history. You could delete top sites. These are the areas that you can delete, your bookmarks, your passwords. Very easy to use. You just click on the arrow beside the application and you can click on the folder that you would like to delete. So if I go into my Safari and I want to internet cache, I want to erase that, I click on erase. I'm going to bring this over. You're going to get a confirm erase prompt that's going to come up. So once the selected files are erased, you will not be able to recover them back. So make sure you remember that. And I'm going to click on confirm. It's going through erasing. So depending on how many files that you have is going to depend on how long it takes to do that erase. And I haven't deleted my internet cache probably in about 2 years, so this is a nice little cleanup that I'm doing at the same time. So again, on the left hand side you're going to have your files and folders, so that would be your applications would be in there as well, and we'll take a quick look at those. So if you wanted to delete a program that you have installed on the computer, make sure it's a clean delete, clean erase. This is a great program to use for that as well. But it's very easy to use. The user interface is very simple. I'm going to stress again that once you do hit that delete, the information is gone. So just be sure before you're doing something. If you have an external hard drive, that maybe you have an old copy of Windows or maybe some old files that you don't want anybody to be able to get a hold of before you maybe recycle the computer, this would be a great application for that, because you know that everything is gone and you don't have to worry about it. So the erase is complete. Restart system to allow the changes to take effect. So I'm going to click on restart later, but you just need to remember that in order to complete the process, you are going to have to restart the system. So if I go back up to my files and folders, and I'm going to go under my applications, and I'm going to just delete a program. I'm sure I've got something on here that I can delete. I'm going to try this one here. It's old. I thought I had deleted it at some point, but again, you can see the subfolders of that application here, but you just click on it and highlight it and erase. Again, once selected files are erased, you will not be able to recover them back. Okay, so that's complete. It wasn't a large file at all, so it only took a couple of seconds for that to delete. Again, I'm going to say restart later. So when you're deleting, you don't have to restart each time. If you have a couple of things you want to do at this point, you can delete them. And then to finish the process, just make sure you restart the computer at the end of the process. I don't know if there's anything else here that I want to delete, but any of them, I can click on them, hit erase, and again it's going to come up and say, do you make sure that, because once they're erased you will not be able to recover them back. So if at this point I did not want to delete that, I'm going to click on this red X and it just takes me back out of it. Unused space, you can see unused space on your drives. Now I'm not going to touch any of my main files, so let's go back into traces again. So you've got your Mac applications, you've got chat applications, recent chats, recent items. Again, a good way to clean things out. Skype, cookies, and cache. So cache are just files that are stored on your computer for just speeds things up a little bit when your computer's looking for something. So when you go on the internet, it takes essentially a cache file of a web page. The next time you go to that page, it'll pull it from the cache instead of the actual server that the website's on. Okay, so these again are your applications, and so you've got your files and folders. And let's just scroll up one more time. Your library. So Again, these are for the most part, these are main system files. I would kind of stay away from that area. But again, you can see how simple it is to just click on the drop down menus and then you're able to go in. So if I go into my main user file on the computer, I could go into my documents folder, and from here I could delete any of my documents. I could delete any of my pictures. So very straightforward, very easy to use. You could delete movies. I've got lots of movies on here and I could go through and delete them. I've got here's one from 2017. So again, I could just click on erase. I'm going to get a message that comes up here, files or folders, movie, erase, and I'm going to say, yeah, you know what, I'm going to erase that. Confirm erase, and it's complete. So I would, now that I've finished the process, I would click on restart now to make sure that process is complete, and all those files that I have just shown you would now be gone. Alright guys, so that's the program, the BITRASER for file, and it's running on a Mac. They're a great software. Stellar have some really good software. I use all levels of their file deletion programs, file recovery programs. Again, very user friendly. So you can get them on the web and stellarinfo.com, and you can go in for individuals. You can see Windows data recovery programs, photo recovery programs, photo repair programs. They have a wide array of everything that you would need for those panic situations when you need to get software back or need to get files back. So check out their website, stellarinfo.com. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the software, please let me know. And it's definitely worth the price. I think they have it on sale right now, but for around $60, I think that's a really good price to make sure that the files that you want gone from your computer are absolutely gone forever. So again guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, drop me an email, savvytechgirl@gmail.com. Thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.